Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Students, we are starting with new chapter of business studies in class 11. The name of chapter is internal trade, and today we are going to discuss its meaning, feature, and types. So, what is the meaning? Trade refers to buying and selling of goods and services for earning profit. When buying and selling of goods and services takes place within the geographical limit of a country, it is known as internal trade, home trade, inland trade, or domestic trade. Basically, internal trade possesses four features. The buying and selling of goods take place within the country itself. Payment are made and received in the home currency only. There are no or very few formalities to be completed by the traders. Various local modes of transport can be used for transfer of goods and services. Basically, internal trade are of two types. One is wholesale and other is retail. Now, who is a wholesaler? Wholesale trade refers to trade in which goods are sold in large or bulk quantity. The person who carries wholesale trade is known as wholesaler. There are some features associated with wholesale trade which we are going to discuss one by one. Wholesaler acts as a link between producer and retailer. Wholesaler deals with large quantity of goods. Wholesaler is generally specialized in one line of product. Wholesaler invests large amount of capital in maintaining stock of goods. Wholesaler generally sells goods in small lots to retailer and generally does not sell to the ultimate consumer directly. Generally, the margin of profit of wholesale is low, and wholesaler is the first intermediary in the distribution chain. Now let's talk about retailer. Who is a retailer? After wholesaler, retailer comes and he sells goods ultimately to the consumer. Now, retail trade is the last link in the distribution chain. Retail trade refers to the sale of goods in small lots to the final consumer. A retailer buys goods from a wholesaler and sells them to the consumer. So he acts as a link between the wholesaler and ultimate consumer. Retailing need not necessarily be carried on in a shop or store. Retailing includes the things selling to the consumer directly. It may be door to door or on television or on telephone or internet. Retailer may be defined as a dealer in goods and services who purchases goods from manufacturer or wholesaler and sell to the ultimate consumer. Now let's see what are the features of retail trade. Retailer is the last link in the distribution chain. After that, the goods is reached to the consumer. Retailer sells the goods or services directly to the consumer. Retail deals with a variety of goods. Retailer buys and sells a small quantity of goods. Retailer is generally located in the residential areas. Retailer maintains personal relationship with the customer because they are directly connected with the consumer. Retailer may contact the consumer on telephone, internet, TV, or through his retail showroom. Retailer acts as a middleman between wholesaler and customer. Now, what are the services that wholesaler provides to the producer? It facilitates large-scale production. He or she gives expert advices, storage, financial help, bearing risk, and facilitates production continuity. Now, what are the services which wholesaler provides to retailer? Availability of goods, grant of credit, risk sharing, specialized knowledge, publicity, marketing system support, and economies of scale. Now, what are the benefits of retailer to the consumer? Regular availability of product, wide selection, new product information, demonstration and after sale services, home delivery, convenience in buying, and credit facility. Now, what are the services to wholesaler which retailer provides? Help in distribution of goods, personal selling, enable large scale production, helpful in promotion of goods and services, and one of the most important is MIS, that is collecting of marketing information related to that particular goods. So students, today we have discussed internal trade meaning, feature, and its type, wholesale and retail. That's all for today's classes. Thank you and have a nice day.